When it comes to dropshipping, managing your orders efficiently can make or break your business. Today, we're diving into a comparison of Wix versus Dropified to figure out which platform offers better order management. Stick around, because by the end of this video, I'll share which one I personally think stands out and why. Let's start with Wix. As many of you know, Wix is one of the most popular website builders out there, and they've really made a name for themselves in the e-commerce world, especially for dropshipping. Wix integrates with apps like Modelist and Spocket, which handle product sourcing and order fulfillment. This integration is straightforward, making it easy to get your store up and running. However, the order management system in Wix, while functional, leaves a lot to be desired. Next thing, Wix allows you to manage orders from a central dashboard, which is great for small-scale stores, but once you start scaling, things get a little messy. While you can track orders and send email notifications to customers, the platform doesn't offer much in terms of advanced features like automated invoicing or multi-channel order synchronization. As you grow, you might find yourself needing more robust tools to handle larger volumes of orders and customer service needs. Now, let's take a look at Dropified. This platform is known for its specialized dropshipping features and advanced order management. Dropified really excels in order fulfillment automation. It integrates seamlessly with suppliers, automatically sending orders to them without requiring you to manually process each one. You also get features like automatic tracking number updates and order status updates sent directly to your customers, which can save a lot of time and reduce errors. But here's the thing, Dropified is definitely more complex than Wix. While it offers great tools for larger stores, it comes with a bit of a learning curve. The interface isn't as intuitive as Wix's, and the advanced features might overwhelm beginners. That said, if you have a bigger store or are planning to scale, the customization and automation options in Dropified might be exactly what you need to handle those growing order volumes. The fourth thing to note is customer support. Wix's customer support is solid, offering 24/7 assistance via chat and email. However, their support system can sometimes be a bit slow, especially if you're dealing with a larger issue. Dropified, on the other hand, offers good support, but it's mainly focused on dropshipping needs. They also have live chat and email support, but their response times can vary depending on the complexity of the issue. Lastly, pricing. Wix's pricing starts lower, making it an attractive choice for those just starting out. However, as you scale, you'll need to upgrade to higher tier plans for more advanced features. Dropified's pricing is a bit higher from the start, but considering the advanced order management features they offer, it might be worth the investment for serious dropshippers who need more automation and customization. Both Wix and Dropified have their strengths, but they also have their limitations. Wix is great for beginners who need simplicity and an easy-to-use platform to get started. Dropified is ideal for those looking for more advanced order management and automation, but it can be overwhelming for newcomers. So, after trying both of these platforms, I can say that while they both offer valuable features, there's one option that stands out if you're really looking to streamline your order management and scale your dropshipping business. If you want a better alternative to Wix versus Dropified, especially when it comes to better order management, take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description below. You'll get the best trial available with exclusive benefits, only for viewers like you. Give it a try and let me know what you think.